Hey everyone, here's a detailed breakdown of how I played the intro for Little Wing by Jimi Hendrix. If you find this video useful, please feel free to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and let's get into it. Many of you may find it easy to understand the timing of a song when you listen to it, but some people find it hard, so I've decided to break down each section into the basic counting which I use to understand the song, and I count it as 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and I've set my metronome accordingly. You don't have to learn to count like this, but I strongly recommend learning the timing for each section. It'll help you as you work with other songs as well, because you will start to make connections and pick up the timing much quicker. That's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. It's the first time I'm making a lesson like this, so I would really appreciate your feedback. If you hated it, let me know in the comments. If you loved it, let me know in the comments. Either way, have a lovely day ahead. Take care.